Okay, always just a good idea to actually film it while it works. Who knows how I'm going to manage to break it or make it irrecoverable. But I have a Rico Theta S that is completely externally controllable. I have shorted, or not shorted, but I've jumped the button that turns it on and the button that takes photos. So now I can do things like, if I had an Arduino, I could do this automatically, but it's a really hard-built external controller. But I can just touch like 2 of these wires and it'll take a picture. So if I have an Arduino, I can hook these two. Oh, you can't see that. I could hook these two up there. I could hook up to like a PIR motion detector, make a little 360 camera trap. Takes a couple seconds for it to reset. We've taken a lot of pictures. But I can hook up control video too if I want. Just takes a lot of hardcore cracking into and some soldering.